We're looking at step 2, video number 2 of the Chromatic Bass Ideas by James Jamison. And we're looking at a bass riff by a band called Rancid. The name is Time Bomb. It's a really fast riff. Double notes the whole way through, so you can use double fingers like this, like that, or you can go, not too fussy about that. The most important thing right now is getting our notes and understanding what this exercise is all about. So we're going to focus on what is my fretting hand doing. Remember, this is about chromatic bass lines. So even though we're starting with a largely arpeggio-based riff, an A major arpeggio, which is that. This is note A on the 5th fret. That's the major third. We spoke about this in the previous video. 5th, and it does bring in the octave, I think. We'll get to that later, but that's where the octave would be. So 1st, major third, 5th octave. Now each note for the first bar is played twice, excepting for the last two. So you're going to have 5, 5, 4, 4, 7, 7. Nice little twist there, and go for the speed. Get that nice sort of very aggressive sort of punk sort of vibe to it. And then for the second bar, this is where the chromatic comes in. You're going to go 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that gives a nice sort of tension and resolution inside there, because you're going from your that note there, which is not actually resolved yet, onto the major third, back to the 4th, flattened 5th, which is almost like a minor blues vibe, onto your 5th. So this is your second bar. And then your 5th would be the beginning of the next bar. So let's put it together slow motion first of all. You're going to play through with me. 2 and 3 and 4 and... playing onto the 5th because it sort of gives sort of closure to the phrase, even though it's the beginning of the 3rd bar. And from there, you drop down to the 5 on the 5th fret 2nd string, and you go from there. There's the 4th, and it reverses backwards. Now, if we put the whole thing in context, the first 3 bars, I want you to notice 2 things: maximum legato, so there's no silent pauses, and also that my thumb over here doesn't really move. This is very important. So we don't want to see this happening. That's very, very bad. And you don't want to have it there. And you also don't want to have it there. I actually have seen that, promise. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and... Nice little turnaround there. And on the PDF as well, which I hope you have a copy with, you'll notice that I've got the chords A, D, E, and D written underneath. So if you're jamming with a guitarist, they can play those chords or power chords while you're playing the riff, and it'll work quite nicely. Now the last phrase is going to go from here. Okay, shouldn't have that 6, but that 6 sounded quite nice as well, so I'm not going to redo the video just for that one. It should go. That's what it should be. Okay, sometimes wrong notes like that sound pretty cool. So here's the lesson inside the lesson. If you do something wrong and you actually like the sound of it, especially when you're busy writing your own music or improvising, when you're busy doing something spontaneously, if it sounds good, it is good. Your ear will not lie to you. So if it sounds good, do it again. Okay. Here we go the whole way through now, slow motion. 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then obviously get the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And get it nice and even. Nice easy study. We'll see you for the last one soon.